Hi everyone. I hope you're doing great today. So I've been receiving a whole lot of messages, people telling me, have you seen your friend? Have you seen your brother, your colleague? Did you hear what he's saying? And all of that. And they actually were talking about Kenneth Okonkwo, my beloved brother and colleague in Nollywood, who apparently is a member of APC and who has now gone on record to drum support for the Muhammadu Buhari re-election bid. I managed to look at that video where he was promoting and campaigning for Buhari, and I couldn't even watch the video to the end. It was too appalling for me to watch it to the end. It was very nauseating for me. It was very annoying to see him do that, but I had to hold myself because, not that I haven't seen Igbo people drum support for Buhari, but just coming from someone like him, the only thing I concluded was, when I see brothers who do stuff like this, there are three things. It's either they're trying to hide their loot, which they have stolen, or they're trying to look for political relevance or political position, office or something, and Ken definitely falls within any of those three. He probably wants political relevance. He probably wants to, have some office, a political office. He's been fighting to get into politics, and he believes that APC is the only party that can guarantee that to him, and he does have the right to do that. So when people freak out that much, I don't really buy into that. Everybody has a right to support who they want to support. Everybody has right to vie for whatever they want to vie for, using whatever platform they want to use to vie for it. But my problem is telling people that there is some type of good governance with Buhari. You don't associate Buhari regime with good governance, especially when it has to do with the Igbos. What is wrong with us telling the truth? Is there something about African politics that has to do with a lot of lies? I don't understand that. Why do you tell such lies? There is nothing. If there's anything like good governance in Buhari's regime, it probably happened in the north and maybe some part of the southwest. As far as I am concerned, as a bona fide Igbo man of Nigeria, there is not a shred of good governance from Buhari that has entered into the Igbo region or the eastern region of Nigeria. If anything, the regime that you are promoting, Ken, has brought the worst nightmare to my people. And I am so appalled to see that such a promotion is coming from you. So my take is, as much as you guys have the right to campaign for whoever you want to campaign for, as much as you have the right to follow either APC or PDP or whatever party you want to campaign on their platform, please let's save our people the pain, the agony of adding more salt into the injury they have suffered under this regime. APC has been anything but a good governance regime to my people. It's been nightmare from day one. Nightmare from beginning to the end. It's been horror. It's been madness all over, all through the whole Igbo land. Please, let's stop this nonsense. If you want to campaign, campaign. But don't tell us lies. We already know that the lies are going to come out. And we're ready for it. But please, somebody has to challenge this nonsense. Campaign and tell us you have hope. Somebody is promising you 2023. As a matter of fact, any Igbo man that believes that they are going to get the presidency of Nigeria in 2023 is the worst human being alive. You are the most brainwashed and brain dead person walking on the surface of this earth today. You are the most deranged and degraded person alive. What promises have they kept for you that you believe you are going to get presidency? We don't need presidency in 2023. We don't need the presidency in 2023. If you like, bring it in 2020. We don't need it. We need to be treated like human beings. Period. We need to be treated like people. We are going to get what we are looking for. I'm only just making this video to correct that nasty impression. But if it's for freedom, you watch. The game is on. We will get our freedom. We will be treated like humans, and we will get our fair share. The battle is on. God bless you.